Paano ba mapoprotektahan ang valuable collectibles kapag may unexpected na nangyari sa ating bahay? Today, nandito tayo kasama si Crazy Kyle dito sa Museo ng Kahapon. Together with Heidi, a registered financial planner connected with top life, non-life insurance, and HMO providers in the Philippines para pag-usapan kung paano ba na-insure at napoprotect ang valuable collections. Welcome to another episode of Charles Realty Reels with me, Charles D.
Paano nga ba, Heidi?
Good news naman, kasi yung mga collectibles are also treated sa insurance industry as an art piece. Okay.
Ang art piece.
Yes, it's an art piece naman talaga. When we say it's an art piece, it means that we have a special handling for that. Okay, marami lang mga, pag nag-apply kasi kayo ng insurance for your collectibles, it's like part of the content of the vicinity or the house kasi, diba? So you'll have to itemize the collectibles, i-inventaryo nyo yan, and then babanggaan nyo naman yon ng market value of each item. Talagang sesendan nyo kami ng listahan ng mga inventaryo. You also have to take into consideration that since ini-insure nga natin siya, we have to also understand the perils in place, diba? Yung mga risks na kailangan nating i-consider. Siyempre, dapat yung lugar kung nasaan yung mga collectibles natin, it has to be in a place na hindi malapit sa flammable area. Hindi siya flood-prone. Dapat sana in concrete. Kaya tinanong ko dito, concrete ba siya?
Yes,
Yeah.
Everything is concrete.
Yeah. Kasi kailangan natin din take into consideration yun. Also, kung halimbawa, if it's in a safe, yung, di ba may mga vault, fireproof safe, tinatanong din yun. And also, kung nandito ba siya sa Pilipinas or nasa ibang bansa pa siya, kasi meron din mga parts in the questionnaire na yun yung mga tinatanong. Going back to the inventory of the list of your items, tapos may market value siya. In some cases also, meron ding mga ginagawa yung mga insurance companies na sila mismo yung nag-check kung tama ba yung appraising natin dun sa mga items natin. Just to ensure na hindi naman natin siya ina-overvalue or ina-undervalue. Pero yung kanina nga sinabi ninyo, yung mga collector's items kasi, ano yan emotional investment yan for you guys. So, yun lang, para at least aligned lang din kayo doon sa appraiser or doon sa insurance company. And as a collector as well, you know how much this will be priced, if ever.
So today, nalaman natin na collectibles are not just memories. They're valuable assets worth protecting too. Thank you, Heidi, for sharing your expertise. And of course, kay Crazy Kyle for welcoming us here sa Museo ng Kahapon. Once again, this is your property expert, Charles D.